Hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. So, today's video is about my mattress picks for good night's sleep, companies like Tempur-Pedic, Sleep Number, Purple, and some of them have been up 300% since March lows, and I will show you in a minute. So, this is not an advice to buy a particular stock. Please research and trade at your own risk. Please click the like button before we get into the details of the company. So, you might be thinking how mattress maker can be a 10x stock. Let me show you how. So, I have a small position in Tempur-Pedic International and I have stocks in other mattresses also. So let me show you one position. So Tempur-Pedic 440 stocks, market value of around 11,500. The cost of ownership is around $3,000, which is around $7. So the correct right now the price is $26.35. So in few months the gain is almost 3x. So this is just Tempur-Pedic, and Purple and other companies have much better returns than Tempur-Pedic. But why at this point I chose Tempur-Pedic, I will show you in a minute. So let's look into Tempur-Pedic. So this is again Stockopedia, and then as you can see the stock rank is around 98, quality is very high, momentum is very high, the value also decently good. So that's the reason why usually top ranks, if they call super stock, is usually the ranks are 98 and 99. So this is a market cap of $5.5 billion, enterprise value of $6.75 billion, and revenue of $3.5 billion. As you can see here, the health trend has been pretty good, and also the return on the capital is decently good. And if you can see the revenues for last couple of years, especially in last 8 to 10 quarters, they never missed any quarter results. Every quarter they have been growing both margins and profits. So it was a $2.9 billion company in 2014, constantly increased. Obviously they fell once in 2017 and 2018, but they have been growing to the $3.1 billion, 3.5, and next year around $4 billion. That's what they're expecting growth. So if you look at also the brokerage coverage, around 9 brokers are covering the stock. It's between buy and strong buy. Okay, so let's get into what IBD is saying. So if you don't know IBDinvestors.com, so they rank stocks with 98, 99, 100. Okay, so this is the recent news from December 11th. Tempur-Pedic IBD stock of the day clears buy point after Tempur-Pedic Sealy rises earning outlook. So mattress maker Tempur Sealy, which is combination of Tempur-Pedic and Sealy mattresses, so stock of the day. Though they had a strong demand, they had quarter results and they had strong demand and very good numbers. And also Sleep Number and other companies also they had very good numbers. Tempur-Pedic stock, which is one of the IBD's 50, rose 3%. So IBD ranks the stocks and also top 50 stocks they keep in their IBD ETF. So Tempur-Pedic has been recently one stock they have keep buying in this ETF. So as you can see, it's been constantly growing, and the EBITDA profit and also has been growing. So, and not only this, the company also said is targeting share purchase of $280 million for 2020, including approximately $100 million in share purchases in fourth quarter. So let's compare. So increases improved fourth quarter profitability, international sales. So they have huge momentum in sales as well. Okay. So as you can see here, in March, it hit almost $6, and then it went on, kept on going. It never stopped. So it's now at around $26.50. This is when. So it's always important to know when you enter into what price the market. I know this from the beginning. This has been a blue chip mattress maker, so I exactly know the correct time to look into get into the price. So I have been buying since then and almost 300% for last couple of months. And if you compare peers, one of them here they show is both Tempur-Pedic and Purple. So this one I had a lot of options. This actually had better returns than Tempur-Pedic, but right now I think Tempur-Pedic has better value. Let's look into that. So the 52-week change for Tempur-Pedic is only 24% because the March drop, and whereas Purple has been continuously going with 270% return. So market cap for Tempur-Pedic is $5.4 billion and Purple is around $2 billion. So they have a lot more way to grow, but that's the reason why the Purple XPE is very high compared to Tempur-Pedic. And this is the exact reason why, given the growth, international sales, and also the stock buyback, and also the dividend coming up, that's the reason why I like Tempur-Pedic. So the total revenue is $3.5 billion versus $600 million. The profit margin for Tempur-Pedic is pretty high, and also the revenue growth is decently good for Tempur-Pedic and very high for Purple. So if you look at who owns Tempur-Pedic stock, so a lot of mutual fund owners. So most of it is owned by Vanguard, BlackRock, and because it is kind of a blue chip mattress stock. So this is Tempur-Pedic. As you can see, they make premium mattresses and their mattresses are not that cheap. They have three mainly: Tempur-Pedic, Stens and Foster, Sealy, and they are all very good mattresses. So the other one is Sleep Number. So Sleep Number also have been doing really good, and so far, if you look at it in Stockopedia, this is ranked at 98, and if you look at other companies related to them, our Sleep Number also 99, and also Purple. So the whole sector had a great demand in spite of COVID, and almost all the stocks went anywhere between 50 to 300% for this year. So other metrics I want to talk about is, yeah, so sorry, Sleep Number. The goodness with Sleep Number stock is you can customize, sorry, with Sleep Number mattress is you can customize for a different tightness in the mattresses. So this is very popular mattress as well, and people like these mattresses, and they have their own stores through which they can sell, or online they can sell. Okay, let's come to Purple. So Purple has been recent IPO and has a great demand for their mattresses and a much better growth rates compared to Sleep Number and Tempur-Pedic. It's been slowing a little bit now, but it's like a very highly patented technology, and then what they call, as I will show you in a minute, grid technology, and the sales have been really good and at a decent price compared to Tempur-Pedic and Sleep Number expensive, pretty expensive. These are more affordable range. That's the reason why I like this stock as well. So, and also, recent news from October end is Tempur-Pedic to initiate quarterly cash dividend beginning early 2021, targeting an annual distribution to stakeholders almost 15% of the income. And also, they have been buying stock recently heavily. So one article I want to show is saying, should value investors buy Purple Inversion? So technically, all the stocks are value and growth. With a decent growth, very high chance in next couple of years you can double, triple your money, even 10x. Next couple of years, wait patiently. So these stocks usually I keep buying as they fall, but otherwise, these are long term stock buys for me. So this is one talking about why this particular investment firm bought Purple heavily, and almost it had like 250% return this year. Our largest purchase during the quarter was Purple Innovation. Purple was founded by Pierce brothers, rocket scientist Tony, and comfort technology engineer Terry. The Pierce brothers first created a product called foam, the world's lightest weight cushioning fluid, which was used in medical beds, footwear, braces, and other applications. So basically, they have a special patented foam in which they can bend, it can bend, and they have special technology, special machines to make these machines, and it has such a growth at some point they couldn't make enough mattress for the demand that they had. So if you look at it, in my view, this sector is really decent sector with high value and high growth prospects. And that's the reason why I invested in this sector. Conclusion: I love mattress stocks for long term value and decent growth. I own top stocks in this sector. These are good night sleep stocks. You don't have to worry with pump and dump of SPAC stocks, and you can hold this in even IRAs for long term growth. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Click the like button. See you on my next video.